Okay. Uh, so what we're going to do here is the first thing we're going to do is we want to go to set up our units. So we'll customize, and then we'll go to units setup. Okay, and it'll say display units is metrics and as meters. We want to go here to system unit setup, and we want to make sure that this is set to meters rather than what might be defaulted to inches. So make sure that that's set to meters so that so that the conversions come in correctly. Once you have that, then click OK. Again, that's under Customize, Unit Setup, System Unit Setup, and make sure that this says meters. Okay. Once we do that, we're going to import our model. And that is this SVC or whatever you've named it. So here you have a couple of options whether or not you want to completely replace everything or merge the objects. It's going to default to merge objects with current scene, so this is kind of an idea like if you're going to add, if you're doing an interior rendering and you had a chair, you can put that model in without erasing everything. So if you replace everything, then you'll lose whatever you have. So if you're adding objects like trees or rocks or other kind of elements you want to merge. The other thing you want to do is convert units. In this case, we don't want to convert units because we know we started in meters and we just set up our thing to meters, so we don't need that conversion. Click Enter. Okay, and then we will have our setup here, and it should come in and look appropriate. What you'll see over here is on the selection side all of our names, and you can see why we named everything the way we did, because it's going to be long lists of things. And what I like to do, like I showed you at the start, is just click and then select, hold down the shift key and click again, and that will select all of those wood walls. Then go up here to group and group them. Same thing, I'm going to do that with all of these things just real quickly. Okay, so now we have basically all of this organized in a fairly neat and manageable bundle. So whenever we select a group, it'll show up much easier, and we can select everything that we need to that's organized. And this is largely organized by the materials that we want to use on the piece.